Let's journey back in time and dive into the major events of 1988. January 1st, the European Free Trade Association enacts a free trade agreement with Finland. February 13th, the Calgary Winter Olympics begin, introducing new sports and international rivalries. March 16th, the Halabja chemical attack occurs, a stark example of chemical warfare in the modern age. April 14th, the Soviet Union agrees to withdraw its troops from Afghanistan, signaling the end of a long conflict. June 27th, the Gare de Lyon train accident occurs in Paris, reminding the world of the importance of transportation safety. July 3rd, the USS Vincennes shoots down Iran Air Flight 655, sparking intense international debate. July 6th, the Piper Alpha drilling platform in the North Sea is destroyed, marking one of the worst oil rig disasters. August 17th, the President of Pakistan, Mohammad Zia-ul-Haq, is killed in a plane crash. September 17th, the Summer Olympics commence in Seoul, showcasing extraordinary athletic feats. October 1st, the founding of the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, IPCC, sets the framework for climate studies. October 5th, Chile holds a national referendum, leading to the end of Pinochet's dictatorship. November 8th, the U.S. presidential election takes place, leading to George H.W. Bush's victory. November 15th, the Soviet space shuttle Buran is launched, displaying advancements in space exploration. December 1st, World AIDS Day is observed for the first time, bringing awareness to the global epidemic. December 7th, in Armenia, a devastating earthquake causes thousands of casualties. December 9th, the UK passes the controversial Education Reform Act, altering the structure of the education system. December 21st, Pan Am Flight 103 is bombed over Lockerbie, Scotland, representing a tragic act of terrorism. The development and implementation of the Internet's first transatlantic connection, marking the beginning of the world's transition into the digital age. This was a short exploration of year 1988. Comment to suggest new timeline. Like and follow for more.